toys more. I already showed this before. Stamp, 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 stamp. Which I'm not doing any stamps. So I think I had this before. With these two. Basically call those fidget toys. Did you know some of these fidget toys are given to kids with special needs, for special ed kids education? Well, I started. Doesn't mean I'm not special ed. It doesn't mean I'm special ed. I'm not. I just want to sneak on them. Yeah. Why do I keep getting so much fives? Skateboard, skateboard. People riding skateboard. It's like people riding skateboard. This is my last box. 5. This is 5. Let's get down there. Woohoo. Stretchy, 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 stretchy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means it's 5 guys. The 5 guys. 5 guys. 5 guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the 5 guys. Jesus. That's all. What's scary? Cube, 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 and the circle cube. Yeah, those two I'm gonna. I don't know how to fix it. Make it circle. Last but not least, these ghost specific stamps. I'm just gonna put one on each finger. Just like, I just got like 5. Alright, 5. Are they scary? It is scary. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's about it. Thank you for about like 1, 2, 3, 4 parts of this fidget toy. Well, unboxing. Bye.